Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy baby Doge coin. Okay, so if we go to here, you'll see the chart. We're going to the market, and as you can see there is decentralized exchanges, but the fees are high sometimes, so you need to use a centralized exchange like Gate.io. It's pretty similar to KuCoin and Binance. So if you don't have an account, create an account. You'll find the link in the description, and it's pretty similar to Binance and KuCoin. If you got to see every options that are in here and how to sell and buy in here. Okay, so you've created your account. Just go to wallet and click deposit. So choose what cryptocurrency you want to deposit that you have, or it would be better if you choose or deposit USDT, because currently you can only buy and sell baby Dogecoin using USDT. all right, but you can choose whatever coin that you want to deposit, of course, and just click on it and you'll find the address, and as well as choosing what blockchain that you're prefer to use. Okay, and then copy this and paste it in there to receive your crypto into here. Okay, so now you've got your asset. Just go to trade and spot trading. So here, if you deposited anything other than a stable coin, which is USDT, just go to here and search for that coin that you've deposited, like let's say Link, and go to Link USDT and sell that crypto for USDT. all right, just you'll see the balance that you have of that cryptocurrency. Click on it and it will automatically fill in here and sell it for USDT. After you got USDT, now type in the name of Baby Doge. And here it is, Baby Doge to USDT. You can only sell and buy using USDT, and click on it. So here we are. Go to here, you'll see the balance of USDT that you have on your account. Just click on it and it will automatically fill in here. Or if you want to buy only an amount of that balance that you got, if you want only 50% to spend it and buy Baby Doge in here and buy another one coin that you want, but or choose 100% and you'll see the total USDT you'll be spending on buying the amount of Doge, Baby Doge. Okay, and here if you want to bargain and wait for the market, here is the current market price. Okay, and this is here if you want to bargain and buy with a lower price than the current market price, you can just click on whatever price that you want in here and it will automatically change in here, as you can see. But you need to choose a reasonable price, because it might say here and the market goes up and you haven't got anything or you haven't bought. all right, so you need to choose a reasonable price that the market is heading towards. all right, and this is as well for people that want to sell and they want to sell with a higher price than the current market price. Okay, so if you want to bargain, of course, but if you want to buy and get in instantly, just choose the price of the current market price and your order will go through instantly. all right, and you'll find it on your wallet after the order goes through. So this is the video. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.